So we've got 2.5 pounds of Tannerite. Just have to shoot through this hole. Got 2 buckets, metal buckets, and then all of this stuff above it. We'll send it. Firing. No! Firing. There we go. Holy crap. Well. Holy crap. So it took us about 30 minutes to go find as much as we could, but this is what we were able to find. So you can see that right there. You see how you've got stuff going out this way, this way, this way, this way, and then back. And we found stuff to the right, to the left, straight forward, maybe 30 yards to maybe 50 yards at the furthest. Blew this target, which I don't even remember where the target was. But we've got pieces of target just stuck in the sage. And then these are the pieces we found. So we've got this small piece here. This was the bottom, which is freaking cool. I don't think that was on top. Got that piece. This piece is cool. Top rim.